Hello, welcome to the Development Stage channel. How are you today? I hope you are having a great day. But if you are feeling a little stressed or busy, you are in the right place. Because today we are going to share some great daily meditation techniques that will help you reduce your stress levels. Before we start the video, grab yourself a cup of tea or coffee, get somewhere comfortable and take this moment for yourself. Also, don't forget to subscribe to be informed about such useful content. Here we go if you are ready. 1. Deep breathing exercises. The cornerstone of meditation is breathing. You can focus on your breathing by taking just 5 minutes a day. Close your eyes, take a deep breath through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel your body relax as you do this. Deep breathing reduces stress hormones in your body and draws you into the moment. You can make this technique more effective by counting your breaths or following a certain rhythm. You can control the depth of your breath by placing one hand on your chest and the other on your belly while taking a deep breath. When you feel your belly moving, it means you are breathing correctly. 2. Mindfulness meditation. Is your mind constantly filled with thoughts about the future or the past? Then mindfulness meditation is for you. Sit in a comfortable position and just notice the moment. Focus on the sensations you feel in your body, your breath, or the sounds around you. When your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to the present moment. You can also integrate this technique into your daily life. For example, while eating, focus only on the taste of the food you are eating, and when walking, feel your feet touching the ground. Mindfulness allows you to enjoy the moment and reduces anxiety. 3. Positive affirmation meditation. If your mind is giving you negative messages such as "today is going to be very hard" or "I am not good enough," it is time to replace them with positive affirmations. You can send positive messages to your subconscious mind by repeating affirmations such as "I am peaceful," "I am successful," "Today is going to be great" to yourself. When applying this method, it may be more effective to look at yourself in front of a mirror and say the affirmations out loud. Remember, the more you repeat it, the more your subconscious mind will accept these messages. 4. Body scan meditation. Sometimes stress accumulates in our body without us realizing it. To reduce this, you can start by lying down or sitting in a comfortable place. Close your eyes and start scanning your entire body from your toes upwards. Feel each muscle relax and let it go. This will help you relax both physically and mentally. While doing a body scan, you can focus on each muscle group for a few seconds and repeat things like I'm relaxing" in your head. In this way, you can increase your awareness and achieve more effective relaxation. 5. Walking meditation. Meditation is not just done by sitting. You can also meditate while moving. Be aware of every step you take while walking in nature or on a quiet path. Notice the feeling of your feet touching the ground, the wind touching your skin. You can clear your mind by focusing on the details around you. You can also follow your breath while walking. For example, you can synchronize your breathing with your movement by determining a rhythm such as inhale in 4 steps, exhale in 4 steps. This will help you relax both physically and mentally. 6. Guided meditation. If meditating on your own is difficult, you can use guided meditation apps or meditation videos on YouTube. These videos will guide you step by step to relax and focus. Listening to guided meditation, especially before going to sleep, can help you both have a more comfortable sleep and reduce your stress. If you want to try it, you can use meditation apps or discover the audio recordings that are most suitable for you. 7. Gratitude meditation. Noticing the good things you have in your life is one of the best ways to reduce your stress. Close your eyes and think of 3 things you are grateful for. Maybe your health, your loved ones, or the hot coffee you had today. When you repeat these with feeling, your mind will start to change in a positive way. You can also do this meditation in writing. Keeping a journal and writing down at least 3 things you are grateful for every day increases your awareness and supports positive thinking. Which of these meditation techniques will you try? Don't forget to share with me in the comments. As you add these techniques to your daily life, you will feel the difference in your mind and body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.